InfinityChainSA is presented as an online trading platform for beginners and experienced users, with tools, market information, and account support in one browser-based environment. This video explains what InfinityChainSA offers and how its main platform features are described. According to the official website, InfinityChainSA provides access to a wide range of tradable goods and highlights more than 300 professional tools. The platform also states that spreads can start from 0.0 pips. InfinityChainSA works directly through a web browser, so no additional software installation is required. Users can access the platform from an internet-connected device, which supports a flexible account experience. Market information is designed to be easy to follow. Price changes are shown with green for upward movement and red for downward movement, while displayed times automatically adjust to the user's local time zone. The platform also provides asset-specific information including market characteristics, contract expiration details, identifiers, and trading schedules. These details are intended to help users understand when and how different assets are available. InfinityChainSA also promotes expert guidance and account management support as part of its service. The website describes a focus on practical tools, market knowledge, and responsive assistance. For viewers researching InfinityChainSA reviews, these published features provide a practical picture of the platform's structure, accessibility, and market-focused user experience. In summary, InfinityChainSA is presented as a browser-based trading platform, combining market access, analytical resources, platform tools, and professional support in one online environment.